Kat Dillon, holistic nutritionist and chef, and I'm going to show you how to make a squash soup with coconut cream. So here we're going to go explain a little bit about the ingredients. Here we've got some kabocha squash, some carrots, some coconut cream, onions, some ginger, garlic, and cilantro for garnish. So how we're going to make it is we're going to start with the onions. We're just going to take about maybe 3/4 to 1 onion and place that in a hot pan with some coconut oil. When that becomes a little bit more translucent, we're going to add the garlic and add the ginger. And then I'm going to add my vegetables. So I've got a small kabocha squash here, and I got a couple of carrots, maybe 3 or 4 carrots right here. So as soon as that comes to a nice little sizzle, I'll go ahead and add my stock. Okay, then after that, I'm going to add my coconut milk. I'm going to let that come to a boil until my vegetables are done completely. The soup is ready. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to blend it in the blender here and then strain it, and we'll be ready to serve it. My name's Kat Dillon, registered holistic nutritionist and chef of Caterpillar Nutrition and Wellness. Bon appetit.